This quick video is about how to save video for save later on within Facebook app in iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First, open Facebook app. For example, if you want to save this video means just click these three dots. Then you can see this option save video. Just tap that. Now here you can create a new collection, new playlist, or just add to favorite or for save for later like that stuff. For now I just add to favorites. That's it. After this, when you want to see this video means just click this menu and here you can see this option saved. Just tap that. Yeah, here you can see the video just like that. Likewise, you can save any video to Facebook Save Later within the app on iPhone. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.